Welcome to the MERN AI desktop app installation tutorial. First, head over to our website MERN.ai and click on the Download for Desktop button. Click the Download button to download the MERN AI desktop app. Once the download is complete, begin by opening the installer. But before we proceed, there are a few prerequisites that need to be installed to ensure smooth functioning of the MERN AI desktop. Now let's install these prerequisites. Simply download the required versions and follow the prompts to install them. One important note: when installing Visual Studio Build tools, don't forget to check the box for desktop development with C++. Once all the necessary programs are installed, reopen the MERN AI desktop app. Great! Sign in using your email and start working on your project.